So I'm thinking that maybe we should do a segment about this. And if you stand for animal rights, then honestly, matagal na ako nagtataka kung bakit super sikat to. Now, let's see what's inside.
Yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah.
Hey guys! So welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've uploaded a video. I always say that I will upload every week pero hindi nangyayari yun. I'm so sorry. But anyway, it's already my sem break and I have 10 days to fully enjoy this, film videos, and just catch up on sleep because your girl has been lacking sleep because of her masters. Gusto ko bumalik ngayon with an unboxing video and lately I've been getting some packages. So I'm thinking that maybe we should do a segment about this. I'm gonna call this What's in the Box. So in today's episode of What's in the Box, we are going to unbox this package from a company called the Style Quarter. The Style Quarter is basically a subscription service or a subscription box that you can avail every month, or I think meron silang plan. But I'll talk to you guys more about the details later. There's a lot of unique points about this box and I can't wait to get started. So first I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So this is actually the April box of the Style Quarter and can you guys believe it? Sold out na siya. So by the end of the video, if you guys are interested in this, they are actually already selling their May box. So I'll give you guys more details on how to order it and what to expect. But before we get to the nitty-gritty details about this box, let's talk like what is a subscription box anyway, right? So I've already tried a lot of subscription boxes in the past. And the thing about some of those subscription boxes is they only give you either 1 or 2 items of the 5 that is full size or what we call premium size. Sometimes you don't even get premium sizes. You only get all sample sizes. Which is okay naman if you want to just try the product. But what if nagustuhan mo yung product and then nabitin yung experience mo? So what I like about the Style Quarter is that they actually give you all full-size products. There are 5 products that you can find inside. And the best part of all is inaangkop nila yon based on your skin type. So that's basically what sets Style Quarter apart from other subscription boxes. Now, let's see what's inside. The thing I like about this box is it's actually very thick and durable because sometimes when the package is shipped to you already, sayang naman yung ganda ng print or ng packaging or presentation if nayuyupi lang siya sa pag-deliver niya, diba? On top of the box, you're going to see the label Summer Beauty Box by the Style Quarter, and every month they have a different theme. So for the April box, of course, it's the peak of summer. So all the products that they have for you are summer beauty themed. Next month in May, they're actually going to release the Rosy Beauty Box. So that's something to really watch out for. Actually, guys, sorry, in-unbox ko na siya. And I actually used some of the products already. So one of the first products that I found inside is the Beachborn Sunset Spray. This is a local brand, which I absolutely love. I've been using their products for about, I think, 2 years already. I started using Beachborn with their purple conditioner and shampoo. And then, nag-upgrade ako sa Sunset Spray. So yes, I have tried this before and I loved it before. And I'm excited that I have it now. The Sunset Spray is actually a heatless blow-dry spray that you just spritz on your hair and it will prevent your hair from being really poofy, especially if you have naturally frizzy or curly hair like me. A lot of people think that I have straight hair, but guys, lagi ko lang yun binablow-dry. This also detangles your hair, so kung namomblema ka na hindi ka nag-conditioner sometimes, this is really gonna help with that. It smells really good and it doesn't make your hair greasy. And of course, since we're going for sustainability, Beachborn products are actually refillable, so you don't have to keep throwing away plastic. And if you stand for animal rights, then you'll be happy to know that this actually is vegan and cruelty-free. The second product that we have is a Korean brand called iUNIK. Now, let's have a quick rundown of the 3 ingredients mentioned here. Tea tree leaf water, 67%, Centellia asiatica leaf water, 19.5%, and 6 sprout extracts. Tea tree is actually known to calm red skin and fight off pimples. Centellia asiatica is also known to calm down skin, especially if you have allergies or if you have sensitive skin. Centellia asiatica is a very, very good ingredient. So I've been using this for about 2 days now and so far so good. I really like the smell and it's very basic. It kind of reminds me of the Sun and Park toner water. I've tried that before like once and there's really no stinging. I feel like this would be good for very sensitive skin. And since my skin is combination to oily, I am prone to pimples sometimes, so the tea tree leaf water will help a lot with that. Probably my most favorite item sa box na to ay yung facial mask, and it's not just any brand. They actually sent me the 7 days Lululoon facial mask. Lululun is actually the #1 facial mask in Japan. A lot of my Japanese friends recommended this to me as well. They told me to really try it because it's so good. And as you guys know, Korean and Japanese skincare, they are the best. I normally use the Face Shop mask, but I can't wait to try this out. Next item that I really appreciate is sunscreen, and this is also a Japanese product. It's called Anessa. It has SPF 50+, PA++. So this kind of reminds me of my current sunscreen, which is the Biore Face Milk. Anessa is actually one of those really good Japanese brands as well, so I can't wait to try this out. I hope it doesn't give me any allergies. But so far, I've never heard any bad review about this, so we will wait and see. And for today's makeup look, I actually used one of the products in the box, which is the KJM Lip and Cheek Tint. Honestly, matagal na ako nagtataka kung bakit super sikat to. I've seen so many Instagram people modeling or like endorsing this product, and I never knew like kung bakit maganda to, because I don't know, for me ang dami-daming lip and cheek tint. I don't know what makes this special, but I tried it on my cheeks and on my lips. I kind of like it, and I'm pretty happy that the Style Quarter actually sent me a shade that is absolutely perfect for summer. It's kind of an orangey tone that looks good on Filipino skin, and this shade is called Summer Kiss. I feel like each box is lovingly made because they also give you a guideline of the products that are listed and what it does for your skin. Not only that, but they also give you instructions on how to use it. Oh, by the way, nung binaba ko yung paper na yun, I noticed that they highlighted the Anessa sunblock. And the reason why they highlighted it is because as compared to other sunblocks, this one actually increases the effectiveness even kahit nabasa ka. So if you're the type of person who loves to splash your face with water or facial mist, this one, hindi siya matatanggal, and it will keep your face protected all day long. That's usually the problem with a lot of sunblocks. The moment na mabasa yung mukha mo or pag pinawisan ka, matatanggal lang siya, and then you have to reapply again, and it's kind of a hassle to reapply it, especially if you don't have a bathroom nearby and you kind of don't wanna put sunscreen on your face and then press it there kasi malalagay lang yung bacteria. Then your skin's just gonna get nasty in the long run. So when I got this package, of course, I needed to do my research about it and see why mas sulit na mag-subscription box ka. Mahina ako sa math, but I'm 100% sure na tama yung ginawa ko. The Beachborn Sunset is 180, the KJM is 110, the Lululun is 275, the Anessa is 1,071 pesos, and the iUNIK is 1,209 pesos. Pag tinotal mo lahat yan, it's 2,845 pesos. But the box is actually only 1,800 pesos per month. So how much exactly do you save? If you get the subscription box, girl, you save 1,045 pesos, which is already equivalent to one full-size product. So it's like getting 4 premium products and then 1 as a bonus. So as I said earlier, unfortunately, this particular box is already sold out, but don't fret kasi yung May box nila is actually already on sale, and it's the Rosy Beauty Box. Inside that box, you're going to get the iUNIK Rose Galactomyces toner and 3 skincare and beauty products that are premium sized. Take note that every box is actually personalized and made with love. You can find all the guidelines in the description box down below. I have it all written down for you, so it's super convenient. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for joining me for another episode of What's in the Box, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!